Hello from the beautiful boardwalk area of Disney World. My conference is over, and I have to say I'm pretty happy to be back. I'll be staying here tonight. Steve will be joining me. And what I'm really doing here is checking out the new Genie Plus. Okay, I got it right. Genie Plus, which replaced Fast Passes. So I have been playing this morning, got up. I have an annual pass, so I couldn't buy it till midnight of last night. And then I had to, at 7 in the morning, pick my options. I knew I wasn't getting here till the afternoon, so that actually ended up being a little bit of a thing because for Genie Plus, you can only pick the next available time. So I did spend most of the morning checking and checking and checking while at my conference to get the right time, which I now have for Safari, which is what I picked. I also did the paid rides for this evening. This evening and those you can pick times for, so that was superb. I will be riding Frozen and Ratatouille again because I love it. It'll be my 4th time and I love it. So I'm gonna let you know how the days go and how it all progresses, but so far it's been a little tough. It's a little clunky to navigate in, but I'm figuring it all out for you, my clients, and we'll make it so that you have a fantastic trip and can travel like a princess.